Hi, in this lesson, you will learn managing global key bindings and custom shortcuts for Copilot. This practical session is divided into two phases. Phase 1 talks about the philosophy of shortcuts. Phase 2 talks about the practical implementation. So, in this session, you will learn how to map Copilot actions to their personal workflow, ensuring that AI assisted coding feels like a natural extension of their own movements. So let's move to phase 1. Why bother with custom shortcuts? Because every millisecond you spend navigating a menu is a millisecond you are not coding. We are building a muscle memory environment. Today we will map the Copilot commands we use most, like inline chat and the chat view, to keys that feel natural to your hand placement. So let's move to the practical implementation. The first step here is accessing the key bindings editor. In order to access the key binding editor, open the Visual Studio Code, go to the file menu. Within file there is the preferences option. Within preferences you will find the keyboard shortcut option, so click on the keyboard shortcuts here. So open your keyboard shortcuts editor. This is your command center. Everything in Visual Studio Code is triggered by a command. We are simply deciding which trigger or the key combination starts which action. The second step will be identifying the Copilot commands. So in the search box, you need to type Copilot. Search for Copilot. You will see a list of every available AI action, from opening the chat to triggering specific agent behaviors. This is the complete menu of your AI's capabilities. The third step is creating the custom bindings. So you need to scroll down and select the desired command. So let's scroll down and let's select this command, that is focus on the chat view. So select the command and double click on this command. Then you press your preferred key combination that will invoke this command. Say for example, I will select control key plus shift key plus F key. So control plus shift plus F is my preferred key combination that will invoke this command, that is focus on chat view. Press enter here. If you see a warning about a key conflict, don't worry. It just means that shortcut is already taken. Choose another shortcut or replace the old one if you don't use it. So you are the architect of your own IDE.